Ono sana umurikito Vincent Monda ase oroboti uru gusika bosiro litko lero nigo abonchelia na boiga babwatani kurase county ya Kisii basangerekana asomorobilyo bugosangerelia ebirengerelyo korwa ase abananchi igoro y'omuswada w'ekibesa bo mwaka w'ekiribubere 2025 noyomo n'ekiribubere 2025 nebere oyoba gokorawa no chief officer bw'amang'ana y'ogosangerelia ebango imeye county eyo Conrad Owino gati y'ababwatani bande ase chinsemo chia cultural hall okwana ekerekyo nigo bagokeire omurubiri yo asibatebire buna nige serikali ya county ya Kisii inseyo mugavana Paul Simbarati yabakonyere asogotabamentera ebango na kubairera kwenyorera omugati obo okiralitko na kulia eira yokogendera kurwa ebango gokonye county kobana mbeyemo une miaka ebere yaitere omurikito Pethuel Machini norobotera sobwagale
Nasomega bugosangire birengeryo igoro ye finance bill ye county ya Kisii y'umwaka w'ekibesa kirububere 2025 nomo kirububere 2025 nebere ime yensemo ya cultural hall ime yomuchi obosongori tikuria rero Omo chief officer ensemo y'osangire bango ime county ya Kisii Conrad Owino nigara murobere yo bugosangire birengeryo igoro ye finance bill y'umwaka oyiga no mwaka gocha ye county ya Kisii asomerana na bonchoria ime county iga.
Leo ilikuwa siku muhimu sana because we were conducting public participation and we've been doing it throughout the county. Today was our last day in Kisii municipality at Culture Hall. The businessmen of Kisii municipality, among them Mama Mboga, Boda Boda, and those who are all the stakeholders. And it's always in our calendar that every year we must conduct public participation in order to come up with a new finance act. So today we were doing it for the year of 2026-2027, awaiting the approval by the county assembly so that we will have an act which will be used for collection, revenue collection, for the financial year 2026-2027.
Ukone mensemo ya culture hall nigo Owino abakirimbya bamenyebe county ya Kisii na wiga bonchoria asumukyobo bokorwe bango kuire county kobana mbeyemo asogosangeria ebango.
I also want to appreciate the people of Kisii County in general for supporting and always ensuring that they pay their dues or revenue in good time. This has also given us a good way. And in Kisii and Kenya as a whole, the county has performed very well in terms of revenue collection. In the year 2025, we were ranked the top county revenue collection. 2026, also the star is still rising.
Chingo kichecho nigoba mwakiru mugavana we county ya Kisii Mosque Paul Simbarati mbiyasoko basira okonero koba oroberi hamurobere bogosangire banko na koyesire serikali iga.
And I also want to thank the governor because he has ensured that for us to collect revenue in interior, roads have been opened, there are good road networks, security has been provided, garbages are being collected, and we thank God that the people are also still supporting in terms of revenue collections.
Bago kirimono nga ase serikali iga yo mugavano yito Paul Simbarati temente tikende njiri konya bawakana na ikigo cha kogenderera nande bateringa mbiemono nande mbanere koru ase bango na go support serikali ase ngeja magendero barorire ngochikobara abaya na abororo asokorwa tibesa titie bango ikiagera mbaroche gasiegenderete igo batebire mbiemono nane they are very happy togende ko korega siamo une serikali na bananchi
nige gati ya boncheria bo bagokiro murobereyo na kurira kogendera kurwe bango botambe
ngwa kero mugabana mbiemono sengencho yoko bangari tukeri gari yo cha okora magana yo changia magana financial bill twatemire kurigereria korengana ngakia bangete ngakie bintu bya ebire twaroringa mbia asengencho kende nkio kereigoro. So tunashukuru sana ase mugavana na bonsi badibare ngaiga ase ochangi ukoiga.
Sisi katika hii finance bill nitasema imekuwa rafiki kwetu vile ilikuwa ya mwaka jana, na tumeenda bila kutatisika na county government, na tunashukuru kama mambo yataendelea hivi tutashirikiana na viongozi wa county kuinua kaunti yetu. Katika hakuna mtu atatoka nje kuja kutujengea hii kaunti, tutaijenga wenyewe kwa kutoa ushuru wetu.
Ripoti ya Ensoko TV kule kaunti ya Kisii, Chepethuel Machin.